The rapid evolution of tech gadgets often leaves older devices in the dust, but some manage to stand the test of time. While many new gadgets quickly become obsolete, a few remain staples in our homes, proving their lasting value. In this video, we'll explore the home gadgets I've been using for over 2 years that still impress me. But before we dive in, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our latest content. The UGREEN 65-watt charging station offers a 7-in-1 power solution with 2 USB-C ports, 2 USB-A ports, and 3 AC outlets. It delivers high-speed charging with 65W power, capable of charging devices like the MacBook Pro 13-inch and iPhone 15 quickly. Its GOVEELIFE technology ensures compact design and efficient performance for home, office, or travel. The power strip helps organize cables and includes a switch to reduce frequent plugging and unplugging, enhancing convenience and workspace tidiness. The FLUIDSTANCE The plane is a 360-degree wobble balance board designed for use with standing desks. It encourages movement such as rocking, swiveling, and toe raises to enhance muscle engagement and increase calorie burn. The board's design improves stability and grip with rubber bumpers and a durable, eco-friendly construction. Made from recycled materials, it helps boost caloric burn by up to 19.2% and elevate heart rate by up to 15%, supporting a healthier and more active work environment. The HERMAN AERON chair, size A, offers adjustable lumbar support with posture-fit technology and fully adjustable arms. It features a tilt limiter with 3 reclining postures and tension control for customized comfort. The seat angle adjustment and height range from 14.75 to 19 inches provide ergonomic support. The chair is made with recycled materials and measures 38.5 inches in height, 25.75 inches in width, and 16 inches in depth, enhancing both comfort and sustainability. The FLEXISPOT EG8 is an electric standing desk with a glass top and integrated storage, featuring adjustable height from 28.3 to 47.6 inches. It includes 4 programmable height presets and a child lock button to prevent accidental adjustments. The desk has built-in USB ports for charging devices, although laptop charging is not supported during height adjustments. A pull-out drawer and extra file cabinet offer ample storage, and the desk's industrial-grade steel frame supports up to 110 pounds for a stable workspace. The Logitech MX Master 3 is equipped with ultra-fast electromagnetic scrolling via the new MagSpeed wheel, delivering up to 90% faster performance and 87% more precision. Its ergonomic design includes intuitive controls and a sculpted shape for comfortable use. With app-specific customizations and the ability to work across 3 computers, it supports seamless cursor, text, and file transfers. The 4000 dpi dark field sensor allows operation on any surface, including glass, making it versatile and precise for various tasks. The UGREEN 200-watt USB-C charger features a 6-port design with the latest GOVEELIFE technology, providing rapid charging for devices like the MacBook Pro in just 1.5 hours. It supports up to 200 watts of power, allowing simultaneous charging of multiple devices, including laptops, phones, and AirPods. Equipped with advanced GON and SiC chips, it offers enhanced safety and efficient heat dissipation. Its hybrid power solution increases energy conversion rates to 95%, making it an efficient and space-saving charging solution for any desk. The ELECHOMES humidifier offers a 6-liter capacity with dual nozzles, providing cool and warm mist for up to 750 square feet. It operates silently in sleep mode with a darkened LED screen, perfect for undisturbed rest. The ultrasonic technology balances air quality, benefiting both home environments and plants. With an intelligent humidity sensor, it automatically adjusts to maintain optimal moisture levels, ensuring comfort and health throughout the year. The RHONE evaporative air cooler combines a fan, cooler, and humidifier in one unit. With an 80-degree oscillation and a 45-inch height, it distributes cool air effectively across large spaces. Its 6-liter water tank ensures extended cooling without frequent refills. The cooler features 4 wind speeds, 3 modes, and a 15-hour timer for customizable comfort. Adding ice packs or cold water enhances cooling efficiency, making it ideal for quick and effective temperature relief. The QINGPING smart alarm clock is designed with multifunctional capabilities, featuring displays for time, date, temperature, and humidity. It offers up to 16 customizable alarms with adjustable volume and snooze settings, all controlled via the QINGPING Plus app. The LCD screen has an adjustable backlight, and the clock operates on 2-ampere batteries, ensuring long-term use. Its simple setup and easy operations, including a hidden top button for alarm functions and backlight, Make it a practical choice for any bedroom. The GOVEELIFE Smart Heater delivers 1500 watts of efficient heating for indoor spaces up to 200 square feet. It includes a smart thermostat function that links with a GOVEELIFE thermohygrometer for precise temperature control. The heater supports remote control via app and voice commands with Alexa and Google Assistant. It features a compact design, low noise levels, and safety protections such as tip-over and overheating prevention. Ideal for bedrooms and offices, it combines power and convenience with a sleek, portable build. The Philips Hue Go is a portable table lamp offering both white and color ambience LED lighting. It features an IP54 rating for dust and water resistance, making it suitable for indoor and outdoor use. The lamp supports voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant and can be managed via the Hue app for customized lighting. With a silicone grip and the ability to cycle through colors directly on the lamp, it provides dynamic mood lighting for any setting. The BIDET BLISS BB2000 is a premium electric bidet toilet seat with adjustable water pressure and unlimited warm water. It features a heated seat, air dryer, and night light for enhanced comfort. The bidet includes a wireless remote control and a slow close lid for convenience. Its easy installation requires no professional plumbing. Ideal for all users, including seniors and those recovering from surgery, this bidet ensures superior hygiene and luxury with its integrated deodorizer and customizable wash settings. The MOPHIE UV sanitizer with wireless charger uses UVC technology to eliminate 99.99% of surface bacteria in just 5 minutes, without heat or chemicals. It fits most mobile phones and other small items like keys and credit cards. The device features a universal wireless charging pad compatible with QI-enabled devices, providing up to 10 watts of power. Compact and portable, it is ideal for both home and on-the-go use, ensuring your devices are sanitized and charged efficiently. The CREWEEL motion sensor night light features a 2000 mAh battery that provides long-lasting illumination. It activates automatically within 20 feet and turns off after 25 seconds of no motion, conserving battery life. The light offers 5 dimmable stages and an SOS signal mode. Rechargeable via USB, it is portable and can be mounted using adhesive pads or placed on flat surfaces. The soft, warm 3000K light is glare-free, making it perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, and hallways. The SNAPPOWER GUIDELIGHT 2 is a sleek outlet cover plate that doubles as an LED night light. It installs easily over existing outlets in seconds without wiring, providing up to 25 years of illumination. The LED lights offer a gentle glow, improving nighttime visibility without occupying socket space. The automatic on and off feature activates the light in darkness and turns it off during the day, saving energy. Ideal for hallways, bathrooms, and bedrooms, GUIDELIGHT enhances safety and convenience while eliminating the need for traditional, bulky nightlights. The OFUZZI H8 Apex vacuum cleaner is a lightweight, handheld device weighing just 1.2 pounds, ideal for quick cleaning tasks. It offers powerful suction with 12,000 PA thanks to its M1 brushless motor, and includes a dual-layer filtration system with washable HEPA and stainless steel filters. The vacuum features 4 multifunctional accessories and a 120 milliliter dust canister, providing versatility for different cleaning needs. It charges via USB-C in 3 and 4 hours and includes a storage bag for easy organization. Farewell for now. Which of these home gadgets have become your favorites? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more must-have tech tips. Stay tuned for more insights and updates on gadgets you'll want to keep around.